And so even if you do one meal a day, if you consume enough protein in that one meal, then the body's very good at hanging on to what muscle you do have. And you will still build some additional muscle, even if you do no exercise. If you take the standard American diet, according to the CDC, is like less than 15% protein by calories. So if you take somebody eating 15% protein and put them to 25 or 30, they'll gain muscle and increase lean tissue without any physical activity to a degree. It's only going to happen a little bit, obviously, but just increasing your protein will help you build and maintain muscle regardless of how you split it up. Once you start talking about optimal, so if somebody were to say, hey, I've gotten to my goal weight, I'm not worried about burning fats necessarily anymore, now I really want to try to add some additional muscle mass, then opening up your eating window could be beneficial, because some additional protein feedings will give you more instances of what's called protein synthesis, where the body is synthesizing new proteins. So it would be more optimal from a muscle building standpoint to eat 2 or 3 times in say a 6 or 8 hour window, or even a 4 hour window, one meal at the beginning and one meal at the end would technically be better. But in having said that, you can still, if you like the way you feel, if you prefer one meal a day, you can still get results eating the single meal. So hopefully that makes sense. There's a little bit of nuance. The single meal may not be optimal, but you can certainly still do one meal, and you can still build muscle, and you can maintain muscle well on one meal a day. So that's kind of where it's at.